Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and as an engraver, you can't really embellish this too much. Printers would have a big, way ahead of the game here because they can use so many different colors and shades of colors, and you could print this as a scroll. So we're going to take the Smart Fill tool, we're going to fill in the very front side with a light tan, light gray. Then we're going to change and make it a little bit darker. Grab the Smart Fill tool and fill in that and that. Now you kind of see what's happened. It's taken away some of the color or some of our outline, but we can fix that. Now we need to make it a little bit darker and go right here and fill in these two spots. And then maybe on the third one, so people that are going to print this could actually do a lot better job. But you kind of see that some of the lines have gone away, and you can see what's going on, but you can always take your pen tool, and it says no outline, that's because that's the fill. Then you could make it 8 points, move this out of the way, see 8 points is too much. So let's go 5 points. Actually grab that, do the same thing. Give it a little bit of detail so it kind of shows off that curve more. And there's a way to print that on a laser and make it look a little better. If it was worth it, if it was a really neat project you're working on, I'll kind of show you how I would print this or how I would engrave this. I do it all the time. We'll add a little bit of outline to that. But that looks more like a scroll now. Pretty cool effect. And then you just put your text, nudge your text back, go to Object, Order, Front of Page, and there's your text on the scroll. Of course, it'd look better if it was a lot of text written. I'm going to make one more part and show how I would engrave this. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.